Senior officers from Manipur Police holding the ranks of Inspector General IG and Deputy Inspector General DIG have been stationed in the Jiribam&Borobekra regions to coordinate and supervise efforts in the search for 6 missing persons, according to a recent police statement. Meanwhile, the Women's Wing of the Delhi Mayday Coordinating Committee (DMCC) has issued a strong appeal for the immediate and safe release of 6 individuals, including women and children, who were abducted from the Jiribam region in Manipur. In a statement released on Thursday, the leaders expressed deep concern over the abductions and called for urgent intervention from the highest levels of government. The Mayday women leaders stressed that the government's failure to secure the release of the abductees would not only undermine the state's moral authority but could also escalate tensions in the region. If these individuals are harmed, it will be seen as a tacit endorsement by the authorities concerned, further deepening public mistrust and potentially fueling the narrative of a government complicit in perpetuating violence for political ends, the statement read. The DMCC's statement pointed out that such an incident could exacerbate the growing perception that the government is involved in dividing Manipur along ethnic lines. They highlighted the growing concerns among the public that the situation is slipping beyond control, potentially jeopardizing the peace and stability in the region. The presence of high-ranking officers highlights the seriousness with which authorities are treating the situation. Their role involves overseeing inter-agency cooperation, managing resources, and ensuring that search efforts are conducted efficiently across these areas. Local residents and law enforcement alike hope for swift developments as the search intensifies under the supervision of these senior officials. Further updates are expected as the coordinated efforts continue.